Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to Maths class. Last class we have discussed first 6 sum from the exercise 1.5. In this section we are going to discuss the sum number 7 from the exercise 1.5. Okay. The seventh question, if A is equal to set of all minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to set of all minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 6 and C is equal to set of all minus 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, then show that A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay. Then show that De Morgan law. Okay. The solution. So first take and write the LHS. A difference B union C. First find the bracket value B union C. Okay. B union C. Together write B and C. Okay. B, this is for C. So write in the ascending order B and C elements. So minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7. That's all. So check B and C. All the elements are written in the set B union C. Then find A difference B union C. So set of all A is equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 5 difference set of all B union C. B union C now find out. So minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7. That's all. So difference from A to B union C. Okay. So omitting B union C element from A. Okay. So minus 2 here does not appear. So remaining A elements are minus 2, 0, 0 is omitted, then 1 does not appear. So 1, 3 is not there. So 3, then 5, 5 is omitted. That's all for A difference B union C. This is number 1. Then the RHS. What is the RHS of value A difference B intersection A difference C. A difference B, omitting B from A. B from A. So only write the remaining element of A. So consider A and B. Minus 2 here not there, so minus 2, 0, 0 omitted, then 1 does not appear in B, then 3 is not here, then 5 is omitted. That's all. And following the same manner, want to find A difference C. It's already very known. This is like questions, many of questions are solved in the class. So A difference C means different C from A. So C from A. So A is equal to minus 2. Here not appear minus 2, then 0, yes 0 also, want to write 1, not there, so 1 and 3, so as well as want to write, then 5 is omitted. Okay, that's all. So final, the RHS value A difference B intersection A difference C, which is equal to set of all common elements of both the set. Common element for both the set minus 2 and 1, 1, 3, 3. That's all. This is for common element. Okay. This is number 2. Compare 1, minus 2, 1, 3. Then 2, minus 2, 1, 3. The both are equal. So compare 1 and 2. We get LHS equal to RHS. That is solved by the result. A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay, that's all your answer. 7th question. Okay, dear students, 8th question. If A is equal to set of all y, such that y is equal to A plus 1 divided by 2. Or A belongs to W and A less than or equal to 5. Then B is equal to set of all y such that y is equal to 2n minus 1 divided by 2 and n belongs to W. and n less than 5. And c is equal to set of all minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Then show that the De Morgan law for set difference. Okay, the solution. So C given in the roster form type. So want to find A and B in the roster form. A. So to find A, set A. The general form y is equal to A plus 1 divided by 2. And every A belongs to W. W's are represent the whole number. The number start at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So less than or equal to 5 values. Less than or equal to 5 means A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. 0 to 5 only A values. So substituting every value to the general form, we get Y answers. The relation of Y answer is set of all A. Okay. First form A is equal to 0 and Y is equal to y is equal to, first replacing A by 0, 0 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0 plus 1, 1 by 2, that's all. Then y is equal to, now replacing A by 1, so 1 plus 1 divided by 2, is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. Then y is equal to, now replacing by 2, so A 2 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Next 4 3 y is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 3 plus 1 4 by 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 2s are 2 2 2s are 4. Next y is equal to 4, now replace 4 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Then y is equal to the 5, A replacing by 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 by 2, so equivalent to 3, because 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, collection of A values are set of all, so 1 by 2 and 1, 3 by 2, then 2, 5 by 2, then 3. These all are A. A is equal to set of all 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. Okay, this is for A. So now we get find set of A value. Then to find B, set B. The general form is equal to y is equal to 2n minus 1 divided by 2. And n belongs to, also taken W whole number, n should be less than 5, that means below 5 values. So n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all. One by one substitute here, following the same manner. Y is equal to 2n, n replacing by 0. So 0 minus 1 divided by 2. 2 zeros are 0, minus 1 divided by 2. 0 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Then y is equal to 2. Now 1 replace. So by 2. Okay. Which is equal to 1 2s are 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Which is equal to 2 minus 1 1 by 2. Next y is equal to 2 into 2. 2 minus 1 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 divided by 2. 4 minus 1 3 by 2. Okay. So next the 3. So y is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 1 divided by 2. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. 5 by 2. Then y is equal to 2 into, so now 4 minus 1 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8 minus 1 divided by 2. So this is equal to 8 minus 1, 7 by 2. Therefore, the B values are all, set of all B is equal equal to minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Now we get A and B, then C. So show that the dimensional of our set difference. The result is your homework. Okay, result. This is your homework. So you want to find out B union C first, then find A difference B union C. This is for 1, and then consider RHS. Find A difference B and A difference C. Then write the common element for both the set. This is for 2. Compare 1 and 2. We get the result. Okay, have you understood? This is the same manner of previous question. Okay, ninth question. Verify A difference B intersection C equal to A difference B union A difference C using Venn diagram. So Venn diagram. Now we get A, B, C, 3 type of set, and the 3 sets are overlapping. Okay, so the solution 1, 2, 3. These 3's are overlapping. So form this like union. This is A, B, C. Okay. So then first find the LHS answer. The LHS is A difference B intersection C. First find B intersection C. B intersection C. This is a common portion for B and C. B and C common portion. This is so common places want to share B and C. Next A difference B intersection C. Okay. Also draw three circle universal set A, B, C. Here need not the universal set. Sometimes complement given, the universal set must be one to draw. Okay. So A, B, C. The LHS A difference B intersection C means omitting B intersection C from A. So omit this portion from A. So this is for A circle. Omit this portion only. That is this portion. So remaining all portions are one to share. So this for omit this portion. This fully A, omit this one because B, A difference B intersection C. B intersection C omitted from A. So omitted from A. This is for 1. Okay. Next, consider the RHS. This is the RHS. A difference B union A difference C. Okay. So first find A difference B. This is A, B, C, universal set. First find A difference B. So omit B from A. Omit B from A. This is for A circle. This is B. Omit B. So remaining A for this place. Okay. So remaining A. Then universal set A, B, C. Now find A difference C. A difference C means omit C from A. Omit C from A. So here only want to start. Okay. So C circle fully omitted. Then find the RHS A difference B union A difference C. Union A, B, C. The question is A difference B union A difference C. So join together, want to share the two pictures. Okay, these two pictures, consider these two. So A, this side, first you stand left side of the value. That means A difference B diagram together A difference C diagram. This is for lies on B also. Okay. This side. So compare both the figure. So all sides are shaded. Then remaining get this only portion. So compare. This is number 2. Compare 1 and 2. These two figures we get the same result. So compare 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we get LHS equal to RHS. That means the result is verified. Hence verified. Hence verified. Have you understood the Venn diagram question? Okay, dear students. 11th question. Verify A intersection B, the whole complement equal to A complement union B complement using Venn diagrams. Okay. So verification using by the Venn diagram. So already told the complement exists. Want to draw the universal set. Okay. First, consider the number of sets only A, B gets. So want to draw the two circle with overlapping. Okay. So the solution. C, B with overlapping. Also want to the universal set. So complement exists. A and B. Okay. First the LHS answer is A intersection B the whole dash. First find out A intersection B. A intersection B means common portion for A and B. Common portion is only shaded A and B. This is the common portion. Okay. Then find A intersection B the whole complement. Okay, this is A, B, universal set. A intersection B the whole complement. Okay, whole complement means omit A intersection B from the universal set. The complement represents the universal set. Omit A intersection B from the universal set. Okay, this is fully universal set. Omit A intersection B only. This portion only want to omit. The remaining all portions are this. Okay. This is the remaining portion. Only omitted the A intersection C portion, the middle of the portion. Okay, this is number 1, LHS. Next, consider the RHS. This is A complement union B complement. So, following the same manner, draw with the two sets overlapping. Then the universal set. First, find the A complement. That means omit A from the universal set. The complement represents the universal set. So omit A from the universal set. Omit this circle fully from the universal set, the whole set. So omit the A circle means this side you get the standard region. Okay. So fully omitted A. That's all. Next, B complement. Want to find the B complement. So same manner. Follow to get the B complement answer. The B complement means omit B from the universal set. Omit fully B from the universal set means you get this line. So B only omitted. So A as well as want to share. Which has the complement, that one only omitted. Okay. So omitted B. Then A complement union B complement. A, B, universal set, A complement union B complement. So, I want to draw the two picture in single picture. Okay. So, here B fully shaded, here only the empty portion. Then consider the B complement. Here A fully shaded, here only not shaded the region. Okay. So, compare both the figures. The A intersection part only not be shaded. So remaining all the regions are want to be shared. Okay. So making the circles using the compass or product or so any other circle shape things. Okay, so don't make angle. This is for 2. Compare 1 and 2. Okay, sorry. This is fully 1 to start because they are also given. So compare 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we get LHS equal to RHS. This is A union B, the whole A intersection B, the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Hence verified because of verification question. Hence verified. That's all. I understood the remarkable law for complementation using by Venn diagram. This is very easy. Okay. Okay, dear students, today homework, book page numbers 26, 27 and 28. Examples 1.25 and 1.26. Two examples. An exercise 1.5 question number 8, the incompleted question 8 and 10. 10th question. Okay. Thank you. God bless you.